Welcome to the in front of me Samsung Galaxy Tab A8 2021, and I'll show you all the box accessories what which device comes by default. So the first thing that was our Samsung Galaxy Tab, and here in these two boxes we got the original white charger brick with all of the specs here in white color, and in this second box we got the some papers work like this quick start guide, the wallet warranty cards, and also we got here the SIM jack tool and the new USB-C cable. So that's it. There are all of the box accessories with which our device comes. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.